Hello everyone, this video is about orthographic auxiliary views. Excuse. So this is for our next activity. So an auxiliary view is, or orthographic auxiliary view is a view that is not one of the 6 principal views or the principal views. Okay, so mostly we only draw the 3 principal views, namely top, front, and right side view. Now with the name auxiliary, this drawing is a supplement to better understand a drawing plan. So what do I mean by this? So to understand more about this one, here are the sample objects. So these objects has slant parts, so or inclined, but this one is named inclined face. So and then this one is oblique face. So actually slant gyapon na sila, inclined, but the difference between the two is that the oblique face does not show the edge view of the edge view on its principal views, so as you can see here. So what is the edge view? This one, this is the edge view. The edge view is the view where you are viewing a surface that is parallel, you are viewing the surface parallel to your line of sight. Okay, parallel to your line of sight, that's why it only shows a line. So the surface in this front view, this principal view, it is only shown in a line. So that is the edge view. So here the definition is that the edge view of a plane is a line. So this is the line. Okay, so as you can see here, also that's the difference. As you can see, wala na siya nani. So I have made a 3D out of this drawing or this object to show the edge view of this object. So this one. So as you can see, this is the first object. You can see, makita ninyo the surface. This surface is drawn as a one line lang. Now in this drawing, of course, you will not see it in the principal views, ang edge view. So makita na ninyo siya when I do this. I-rotate na ninyo, of course you will rotate this one na kanira makita kaning tulo ka linya. These 3 lines or this surface will show in one line. By the way, I'm using AutoCAD, so in your second year you will be using this software, so it will be easier for you to make your drawings. But the disadvantage is that kay lagi computer man. If you don't have computer nya, di mo maning kamot. Actually naa sa gawas, dili po kayo mo makabalon sa ni paghimo. Okay, so sigway lang to gamay. Okay, so kani, sorry sorry anong dili siya mo. Excuse ano naman ako on excuse me. Biligi ang view lagi. Okay, so kani siya, mao ni siya edge view ani niya. Okay, so wala na siya nakita nato sa katong principal views, right? So that's basically the difference between the two. Now, by the way, this edge view, this line here is the true length of the surface. So kani siya true length. As you can see in the top view and the right side view, this is not the true length. So this is the inclined part, or this is the inclined surface. It is for sure 10 here in the top view as well as in the right side view. In the right side view in the form of horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line in the top view. So here naa siya true length, but kani mo siya true length man siya, true length, but the edge view is not seen here. So mo na siyang kalahian sa duha. Now in our activity we will not do this. Sige na lang, musugot ko mo gamit mo ani. I will allow you to make this one, but I am not discussing this to you in this video. So it's up to you to research on it, or you can read the instructions here on how to do this one. And of course you can ask me about how to make this if you are confused regarding your research, if you have research, or regarding this instructions or the instructions in this PDF on how to make this drawing. So I will be glad to teach you about this, but dili lang gyud kani specific atong buhaton na kanilang gyud. Dili lang gyud tamo pahimuon nga kanira gyud. Option ra ninyo to make your score, or ganahan lang gid mo dako man pud ang inyong score ani, because this is more complex, and then of course this is more unique compared to this one. Okay, so but again kanila ako discuss, so focus ang tani. So inclined face. So to better understand this one, there's an illustration here. Skip na natin na bang the auxiliary view image box. So as you can see, this is the auxiliary plane together with the top plane, front and the right side. So basically this is what you will draw. So this is the auxiliary view. Okay, so as you can see, this drawing only shows two principal views. So that's all you need in making this auxiliary view. So aside from top view, you can use the right side view. So pwede ra right side view or front view and top view. Now what if the inclined part or this edge view is located or seen in the right side view? So of course you will be showing the right side view. Mao gani yung pakita, that is the most important principal view to use in projecting or orthographic auxiliary view. That is the most important part, kay kaning slant part mao na siya gamito nato, or the so-called edge view. That is what we will use in projecting the auxiliary view. Okay, so pwede ra duhaan yung gamito na ni, but in your drawing you will be showing the all of the three principal views. Okay, so kana now isa pa, so kana lang. So there are two types of auxiliary views, or kana, or two types or representation of this auxiliary view. Now this first is the full auxiliary view. Full auxiliary view is a view where you are going to draw it on a full detail. So all of the views that you will see on the auxiliary view kaning part makita ninyo. So kana siya, project ninyo tanan. So kani hidden line, this one mo na siya nga edge, so that is hidden mo na siya. But this one, this partial auxiliary view only shows the slant surface kani na siya, which is maoragi kinahanglan nato. Okay, so but in our drawing dili kong pa-drawing niya ni kani akong gusto. It's because I want you to understand more about this, how to make the auxiliary view. Okay, so bisag kanira importante, I want you to do this para pod mas makasabot ko, makabalo ko nga nakasabot mo sa inyong gibuhat, or hopefully nga manoon ra man pod mo ani, because your activity will be, again, the design of your object will be by group. Now so those are the types of auxiliary views. Now let's go to the construction. So step 1, create two principal adjacent views. So here what is shown here is that they used the only two views, the view that has the edge view and another one of the principal views, so the right side view. Now second is draw the projection lines of auxiliary view. So these projection lines, this has the same concept in drawing the projection lines in your principal views. So ano man ang mag-draw mo sa principal view ninyo. So for example, this one. And copy lang sa kunin. So let's say for example kanilang so this is the top view, front view, and the right side view. Now when you project this one, I will represent the projection line in yellow. So when you project the projection line, this projection line is perpendicular to its projection plane. So where is its projection plane? This one, this horizontal line. So in top view, the projection plane is the horizontal line. Okay, top view to the front view. From front view to the right side view, the projection line, or sorry, the projection plane. So ano siya, projection plane there sa top view, the horizontal line. The projection plane from the front view to the right side view is the vertical line kani. So this forms 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, let me show you. So of course you already know that because you are using your triangles or set square. The part of it katong 90 degrees na angle, 90 degrees mo na siya gamiton ninyo. So the same concept in making the auxiliary view. Okay, nasa to. So this line here is perpendicular to this line, 90 degrees, all of the lines. So not only kanirang linya dire, but of course kanita ng mga edge inyo ng the same ra na siya ani. Okay, so kana now kanimo ano na yung pagkahimo. So regarding this one na natay again front view and right side view. So when we draw our auxiliary view, so we will make a line here kaning linya ha, first mo ni pinakauna na to himuon. This is perpendicular to the projection line. So kani this is 90 degrees pa siya. Himo ta projection line diri, this is perpendicular or parallel to the projection plane, just like our orthographic the principal views, di ba? This one is parallel to this. This one is parallel to this line. Okay? So, as well as kini. Mao na siya nga concept. Now, the depth kani. So, ang sukod ani niya, you will measure this one and then measure here in the projection lines, you will measure the depth. So, again, mao na ni siya, himo na pud mo perpendicular sa projection lines, and then kana this is the outline of the surface ra niya. This is not the full auxiliary view, the surface of this plane right here, or this is the outline of the surface kani siya dire. Okay, so inyo ra nang pangsok dun. So if it has a detail na circular hole, actually wala ko na pahimo ani sa inyong drawing, so that dili lang kayo mo maglisod, because if there are circular hole na agid mo ellipse, and then kinahanglan pa ko magtudlo ninyo sa paghimo sa ellipse, because dili ni siya mahimo lang sa inyo nga ellipse template katong gamit nato. So kana maong dili ko magpagamit ani og circular hole. Other than circular hole, pwede ra bisag unsa nga shape other than circle. Okay, so kana mauna siya now. So kato, the purpose ani niya, giingon naman nato, giingon na ba nako ganiya? So the purpose ani niya is to show the true shape or form or true size of the surface that is inclined or the surface that is slant. So of course, ang pinaka-purpose gyud na niya actually kabalo naman kita. Let's say for example in this drawing, because kabalo na ta ani sukod ani niya, let's say for example this one, ang sukod ani niya is 4 man, di ba? Wala na ko natarong 4 man. So pareha ra man po na siya. You can either use this one or this one, kay 4 man po ni siya dire, di ba? Now kabalo naman ta nga 4 ni siya, 4 ni siya, kani pud siya makabalo ra man pud ta ana kung ato ni siyang i-measure, di ba? So actually moingon ta nga para makabalo ta sa measurement, so that's not really that's not only the case, because kay kani siya makita naman natong measurement diri, but this measurement kani akong gibuhat karon okay ra gud mo magbutang diri as long as dili ka siya daghang detail diri sa ato ang slant part. But if it has a lot of details, ito for example da na tay daghang details diri ana unsa pa na mga detail na to diha, hassle na siya, makasamok na siya sa ato ang daghan na kay tag mga dimensions diri, di na kay klaro ang ato ang drawing. So it adds more clarity if we make the auxiliary view. Okay, so kana so again, if kanang you do not understand pagid sa auxiliary sa kaning orthographic drawing, kanang auxiliary view, it's like you are looking mao ni inyong kaning na illustrate mo ko ni ganiya, wala pa man siguro. So let's say like if for example this is your eye, nagtan-aw mo padulong dito sa inyong drawing, this is the right side view, di ba? So makita niyo sa right side view is this one. So that is katong giingon ako ganiha, naingon ba ko ganiha, this is 90 degrees to our line of sight, to the singalan na ni projection plane, or the surface or the view surface ani nga drawing. So kani 90 degrees siya, as you can see here, 90 degrees. So same pod sa auxiliary view, 90 degrees po na magtan-aw ta ato. Okay, so going back here, so kana makahimo na ta ani, maona na siya. So katong giingon ako ninyo, maora to, di ba? True size niya. Kabalo naman ta in this case kabalo man taon sa length ani niya kay masukod naman nato. Katong ingon ako nga daghan kay siya detail. Ang mahitabuan ni kung daghan kay siya detail kato dili na siya klaro kaayo kung ari tanan mag dimension. Unya naapod siya mga detail nga kinahanglan gyud nga sa auxiliary nato ipakita just like the dimensions. So kaning dimensions, let's say for example this circle, we cannot dimension it here in this part kaning naka-ellipse siya because this is not the true form of this drawing. So let's say for example we will dimension this one dire ang to dire, let's say for example kani I will dimension this one. Ana, this is not the true length because the true length is this one. Now with regards to the ellipse, let's say butang sige ano lang balik na ko dai with this ellipse. So ang diameter ani niya dili man siya maong form niya mao man ni circle magid siya, di ba? So dili ta pwede mag dimension diri because it is more clear here in the auxiliary view. So basically mao gina siya kanang mga dimensions diri. Those are the important thing nga kinahanglan nato para kinahanglan man nato ipakita. That's why we need to make the auxiliary view. Okay? Next kani dili lang taan ni kay kato ni siya katong oblique. So actually more complicated siya nga kuno daghan pa katag himo projection. Pero kani siya medyo lisod man gini siya nga drawing kung pareha ra to sa taas inani ra medyo sayon ra ni siya. So kani okay naman day man naman dito. So this one this pare mura na sa CAD man ang gamit ani. So I think that's it. So I'm going to show you how to construct the dire lang ko kay gamit dire gud. Wala ko pang video. Tuloy nindot atog actual gid. Pero okay naman ni mas nindot pa dire mas makita niyo correctly. So let's say for example these are the projection lines. Para sa na-delete ha. Now when we project our auxiliary view kani siya of course perpendicular ani, di ba? So we make a line that is perpendicular to this one. So you must project all the edges even those who are hidden. So next what we are going to do is make a line here asa dapit na to ibutang that is parallel to this one or perpendicular to the projection line. So let's say for example this one. And then kabalo naman ta sukod ani this is 4 pwede ra sukdo na nato 4. So from here to here that is 4. We need to offset this line 4. So sukod lang ta direct 4 or pwede ra nang ko i-offset gamit ni so mao na ni siya outline. Sorry, di sana ko color para mas klaro. So mauna ni siya ang outline sa ato ang auxiliary view. So of course you will see this edge here. Mauna siya. Another one, this one. Dire. And then wala lang ilisag bagabi. para mas na siya depth, mas maklaro ninyo. Ani, so klaro, mas klaro na. So this will be hidden line. So mao na siya auxiliary view na to. So this auxiliary view, as what I have said earlier, i-projection ni siya, magamit na to ang top view o pwede ra pod ang right side view, right? So inani ni siyang concept ana. Copy na ko ni. So you can see I will rotate this one, copy na ko glain. So you can see projected na siya. Pwede ra pud kani atong gamiton top view. So di ba? Mao ra siya nga projection. So mao nang pwede ra mo gamit either the top view or the right side view. Okay? So kung asa lang pud tong walay, of course kabalo mo, balikon ako. Ang inyo yung sigurado gyud yung gamiton is the view where the slant surface or the edge view is being shown. Okay? So kana mao na siya ang paghimo sa auxiliary view. If you have questions regarding this one or any concerns or na may mapuno nga information about this one, please lang sulti lang mo. So not only you will get points but you will also help our class, not only yung mga classmate but also me, because naagid pod nga namay nahibaw-an nga wala ako kabalo. So at least if I will know those nga wala pa ko kabalo sa inyong mga nahibaw-an, magamit po na ako in my next class, and then ma-share na ko nila, mas daghan pa silang makatunan. So kana. Okay, so I think that's it. Napa ba ko ipuno? Sige. So I will be sending to you the instructions regarding your next activity. So hopefully dili ra kayo maglisod. Ay lang kayo glisudan yung drawing. Ay lang kayo mo palagi gusto mo bug nga magdako nga score sa. Sige lang, okay ra lagi na. Mas maayo ka mo drawing para mas makasabot mo. Not only para ninyo, actually dili makikita ninyo magamitan but magamit ninyo yung exam ninyo. Okay, mao mo gini akong ipa-drawing ninyo. So kung di mo kabalo mo drawing ani, kaya nagsige ra magpahimo, it's up to you. Pasara lagi mo. Okay? So that would be all. Thank you. Bye.